Hey everyone, Ryan here from Next Level Property Investing. Hope you're well. Quick one before we get started. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. I'm dropping videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Everything to do with business, property related, you name it, it's going to be on the channel if it's not already. And we continue to move forward. And if you're wanting to enhance your journey a bit more, head over to nextlevelpropertyinvesting.com. There's loads of great stuff on there, and I'm sure there's plenty to help you on your journey. So today I want to talk about a money mindset, which the scarcity around money and a money mindset is what holds a lot of people back. So I want to touch base on that and see if there's a few things that resonate with yourself, and see if there's a few fixes that you can make to ultimately help you think differently about money, and that will in itself help you get more success with property. So first of all, let's dive in. I want to just run through, there's about 12 points here. All this is from my training program, and it is about getting your mindset right. I think not only what we do is property, we're building businesses here, and part of it is mindset, pushing through the struggles. And if you've not got your money mindset right, I don't think you'll ever make serious money. So it's all about changing your beliefs at times and making sure that you are thinking right all the time to be able to push on. So few things that you'll probably resonate with yourself, that you might have heard people say, or that you might have even said yourself, tend to come from people that have money problems, and they buy into the cultural belief that these statements are true, and ultimately these are statements that hold you back. So if we just dive into a few, it takes money to make money, the rich get richer and the poorer get poorer. Money is the root of all evil. I can't live a balanced life if I want to make a lot of money. If there's any game out there where you can achieve both, if not the other way around, where you can actually lead more of a life and make more money, it's definitely property. My financial success depends on the job market and the economy. To make money, you must take big risks. Whilst we take risks when we invest in property, they're all calculated, and we're not really taking risks. It's probably the least riskiest asset class that you can invest in. Money is the measure of my success and or worth. Life is hard. Most wealthy people are selfish penny pinchers. It's a dog-eat-dog world out there, survival of the fittest. In climbing the ladder of success, you have to step on others on the way up. And couple more here. You have to be in a certain profession to make a certain amount of money, to make a lot of money, and only a few actors, musicians, sportsmen ever make it to the top. So their beliefs that this has actually been proven psychologically, that most people who struggle with money, they tend to believe in those statements and buy into this cultural fear around money and scarcity around money. Whereas studying wealthy people, millionaires, successful business owners, they tend to have the following sort of statements that surround their mindset: that the universe is abundant, the universe wants me to prosper and have plentiful cash, all prosperity begins with belief. I'm a huge believer in that. If you set your mind to something, you will achieve it, as long as you commit to it. It's not a case of setting your mind to something then expecting the result in 4 weeks time, which is probably about the time frame when things start to die off with people, because they don't see the instant results, so they just give up, and and then they never actually get to where they should be. But if you believe that you can have huge amounts of wealth, huge amounts of success, the happiest family in the world, all those good things, as long as you stick to that belief over a consistent time frame, a prolonged time frame, you will get there. I'm a firm believer in that. Money is an abstraction. Money is energy, and it will appear as you really feel about it. So if you're positive about money, if you give it energy, then you will have it around you and in your life. If you're not, if you're negative about it, then you'll have very little money. Money has no intelligence of its own. So money doesn't say, okay, well, he's the most skillful person at that, so I'm going to give it to him. Or, you know, money has no intelligence. Money is just a bit of paper, or a number in a bank account. So money has no intelligence. So, you know, it's up to you how you go and get it. And this kind of falls into the next bit, that, you know, money will respond to the instructions it's given, and money attracts attention, or money, sorry, demands attention. I'm a firm believer in that. Money follows attention. You get yourself a lot of attention, you'll get yourself a lot of money. You know, get yourself out of obscurity, make sure everybody knows what you're doing, tell all your friends, your family, your colleagues, absolutely everybody what you're doing all the time, shout it loud and proud, and you will find that money will come into your bank account. So, you know, the more attention you get around a certain topic or a certain industry, the more money that will attract you, you know. And that's, you know, you look at any good business, they're in your face all the times, they are advertising all the times, everywhere you go you see them, you know, and that's all about, you know, money and attention, and they're very, very, very closely linked. So if you get yourself a lot of attention, you'll get yourself a lot of money. So start changing the way you think about money, you know. Start changing that, you know, stop being sort of feeling sorry for yourself if you haven't got any, or you're struggling to get by. Start changing the way you think about money, being positive about it, that you are going to get it, you know, that you're going to create the attention that then demands the money, that there's plentiful money out there. You know, I think there's something daft like everybody on earth could be a billionaire or something like that. You know, there's more than enough money out there. It's just the top 5% of the world go and get it. The top 5% of the world have no fear or scarcity around it. They don't have these limiting beliefs about money. They create the attention to go and get it. The 95%, unfortunately, they live in the other section, whereby they're, you know, scared of money. They think money is the root of all evil. They're very negative about money. You know, they feel like they don't deserve money, or that they're never going to get their chance to get it, or they're not lucky enough to have it. The other 5%, they think on a total different mindset. So think about how you're thinking about money, and that might just be the key factor to changing your results over the next 6 to 12 to 18 months. So hope it helps. As always, head over to nextlevelpropertyinvesting.com, or hit me up on Facebook if you want to get more involved with myself. Have an awesome day. Take care.